How to use Alpha Spin TorchV2. Connect the main part with connecting parts. Place Alpha Spin parts into the connecting part. Place all rubber into connecting parts. Could be placed above or below Alpha Spin. Close connecting part using the cover part. Press 4 sides of locking portion to the lock position perfectly. To Alpha Spin usage. Place 2 Alpha Spin into the connecting parts without using all rubber. Close connecting part using the cover part. Press 4 sides of locking portion to the locked position perfectly. Position the power button on position. Adjust lamp animation or round of your preference. Navigate Alpha Spin torch to the body part, which shall be part of the trophy object.